Hi everyone, it's Rachel, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make this cat peas in a pod charm using polymer clay. So let's get started. We're going to begin by making the little cats, so take a colour of your choice, and as you can see I'm beginning with the tan colour cat, and roll your clay into a nice round ball for the head. Now take a small ball of clay to create the ears. Flatten this clay down and then you can gently pinch both sides to create a diamond shape. You'll then want to do the same with a small pink piece of clay and then add this on top of your diamond. Cut it in half with your blade and you should end up with two even-sized triangles. Pop the ears onto the head and then you can blend down the edges of the clay with one of your tools to make sure they're nice and secure. As you can see, I did the same with the other two colours as well to create 3 cats in total. Now moving on to the face, on the white one I created 2 indents where I wanted the eyes to go and then I placed in 2 balls of brown clay. I added 2 small U shapes of brown clay for the mouth in the centre and then I also added on a little nose as well. Finally, to finish off the face, I attached some little whiskers on either side of the head. To add some more interest to my charm, I'm going to give each cat a different expression, so I made some excited eyes on the tan cat, and then on the grey cat I decided to give him some little eyebrows for some more concerned eyes, because he's going to be pushed to one side of the pod. Once all the cats were ready, I then connected them together in a line how I wanted them to look in the pea pod. Next, it's time to make the actual pod, so take some green polymer clay and roll it on your work surface into a long pointed oval kind of shape. Then we want to flatten this clay down, but first I am going to add some cornstarch to mine just so it doesn't get stuck to my rolling pin or work surface and it will be much easier to lift off. Once the clay was flattened and it looked really nice and even, I then positioned the 3 little cats into the middle and I curled the pod around the cat peas so that they looked nice and snug inside. I had a little bit of extra clay left over on both sides, so I just trimmed off the excess with my blade and I smoothed the clay back down with my fingers. You can then go ahead and add an eye pin if you would like to make it into a charm, and then bake it in your oven according to your package's instructions. After baking, I'm taking some super glue and I'm putting it on the eye pin to make sure it's nice and secure, and then I'm adding a coat of UV resin as my glaze. So here is what my finished cats in a pod charm looks like. I'm really happy with the design and I love the different expressions on each cat to give them a little bit of personality. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for lots more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!